The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available online on Fashion Premier Academy. If you're interested in finding out more about it or enrolling, click the link below. Roll it. If I had to break down fabrics into two major categories, I would say it's knits and wovens. So I have here a t-shirt and a shirt. Now, a t-shirt almost always is made out of knit fabrics. How do we know that? See, a knit fabric stretches. It stretches horizontally, it stretches vertically, it stretches all different directions. That's a knit fabric. That's the property of a knit fabric. Whereas in a woven fabric, like this shirt right here, if I try to do what I just did with the t-shirt, you can see that a woven fabric does not give. It doesn't stretch in either direction. So that's the main difference between a knit fabric and a woven fabric. And I know that you guys are familiar with muslin, right? Muslin is a woven fabric, you see? And you can tell because I can pull this thread right here, just like that. In a woven fabric, the only way that a woven fabric can stretch a little bit is if it's on the bias, 45-degree angle, okay? Okay, let's start with knits. Let's define what it is and the different types of knit fabrics. Knitting is the process of interlooping of yarns or interlocking of loops. Some of the types of knits are jersey or standard jersey, also known as single knit or plain knit. Jersey is made by using one set of needles. Cotton jersey is the most common type of knits, and it's very soft and it's fluid and it's very popular for t-shirts. Then we have double knits. Now in a double knit, the structure is created with two sets of needles and more strands of yarn than a single knit. Double knits give a more structured and more stable look to the garments and are suitable for pants and skirts, dresses, leggings, and so on. We also have Trico as a type of knit fabric. Trico is a material that can be made from natural or synthetic fibers. A very popular use of Trico fabric is for women's undergarments, lingerie, bras, for example, allowing not only support but also comfort. And then we have lace, right? I think we're all familiar with lace. Those are the major types of knit fabrics that you should be familiar with, okay? So now let's move on to woven fabrics. Not all wovens are created equal, meaning there are different types of weaves, such as Oxford. You might have heard of an Oxford shirt, for example, right? If you look at an Oxford shirt, it's very formal and it's used a lot in business looks. It is characterized by using one colored thread, say like blue, for example, and one white thread, which gives a dotted appearance. We have twill. Twill has a series of parallel and diagonal ribbing that gives the fabric a series of diagonal surface lines. Herringbone. Herringbone has a specific look, which is characterized by its diagonal weave. We have flannel. Flannel is usually soft and warm and characterized by different size stripes in both horizontal and vertical direction, using different color yarns. Then we have poplin. Poplin is another type of weave. Poplin is a plain weave with warp threads, twice the number of weft threads, which gives the illusion of stripes, but it's not a striped fabric. We have another category of fabrics which are not knits, they're not wovens, they are non-woven, such as felt, for example. Felt is produced by condensing and pressing fibers together. Felt can be made of natural fibers or synthetic fibers. Felt never frays. And then we have hides. Hides as in leather and suede, which is the skin of an animal. I'm going to show you how to lay patterns on a skin. I'm also going to show you something about velvet that's very unique. Okay? Stay tuned. See you next class. Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the videos available on Fashion Premier Academy. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified every time I post a new video, which is every week. I'll see you in class.